Hey guys, Bobby at Southern Comfort Automotive Performance. I wanted to do a quick video on this 2018 Duramax. It's a GMC 2500 Denali diesel we've got. We've done a 4-inch lift on it, but I have gotten a lot of calls and questions. AMP Research just came out with the power steps for these trucks. We've had them, I'm going to say, about 3 or 4 weeks now, and have had a chance to play around with them and see how they work. We've done power steps, as you guys that follow my channel know, for years. I've had great success with them on the 150s. But when GM came out with this 2500, this is the guard for the DEF tank, the DEF fluid, the diesel exhaust fluid, whatever you want to call it. We won't get into why they do that, but anyway, they put it in a real peculiar place to be nice about it. As you can tell, it is sitting right under the passenger side door and has been in the way of AMP doing the steps. So as you'll see, AMP has had to redesign this bracket. Motor's still the same and all that as in the other applications they do, but typically this bracket comes down and is straight. What they've had to do is angle this bracket in the way it mounts so that right here you could mount it in front of the DEF tank and still have clearance, as you can see. Hope you can see this. Still have clearance for the motor and the mechanism under there, but it has to come out and support this. You can, let me see if I can get up under there. I don't know if you can see that good or not, but how the bracket supports the step and everything. So this is pretty heavy duty, but it's, you know, we've had a lot of guys waiting on this. That's one of the reasons this truck is back in here, is to get these put on there. But just want to show you all that to you. It looks good. It cleans the look of the truck up. My personal opinion is I cannot believe that the engineers that make all this money at General Motors cannot come up with a better place to put this DEF tank. That's just my 25 years of experience doing this. There's got to be a better way to do this, but whatever. Other than that, if you guys are having a good week, appreciate you stopping by my channel.